Lot 204, the 1947 Cadillac Series 62 convertible, perhaps the first quintessentially American, iconic convertible. This was the company's only convertible for that model year, a body-off restoration that has been freshly detailed in these lovely, lovely colors, the 47 Series 62.
Thank you very much, Alan. Let's open the bidding here at $40,000, shall we? Opening bid of $40,000 anywhere in the room. 40,000 to start me. 20 if you like. 20, thank you, sir. 20 seated here. 30 anywhere in the room. 30, 30, thank you. 30, now 40. 40 now. 40, thank you, with the hat. At 40,000, do I have 50 anywhere now? We're at 40,000, I'm selling the car already. $45,000, do I have 50 anywhere now? At $45,000, then do I have 50? 50,000, thank you, sir. I've got you at 50,000. Do I have 55 now? 60? 60,000. 65 if you like, sir. 60,000 is against you. Well, then 60,000, back of the room, on the right, selling all the way. It's going for the first time already. $65,000 seated here on the aisle at 65,000. 70,000, thank you. 75, sir. 75, sir, if you like. We're at $70,000 now. Do I have 75? At $70,000 then. 85. Thank you. Tactical bid. I like your style. At 85. You're growing a voice as well. At 85, on my left here. Do I have 90 now? Well, at 85, 90,000. But it's not that easy. Do I have 95?
She like made my day every time I would see her.
100,000, he says. Do I have 105? At $100,000 that I'm selling on my left. It's going for the first time. 105. 110. 110. We're at $105,000. The bid's against you. It's here on the aisle. I'm going to sell the car, and it's going for the first time. 115, he says. 120 now. Nope. He says no. At $115,000 and on my left for the first time. 115 for the second, third, and last time. Well done. All finished. Sold your car. Well done. 115,000. 4, 5, 2, 3.